Alright, summertime, week number 2. I'm leaving during the storm again. And the water is bubbling up from the drains again. So I am going to be extremely cautious going down the ramp here, and I'm going to veer off to the left if it looks like it's flooded again. Or back up and just wait. This is going to be interesting. Last time it rained like this, you can see the link right here. This is what happened, and I almost got stuck. So I've had kind of flashbacks of that every time I leave here, but it hasn't been, and here it is again, exactly the same. So I'm gonna plan to get over to the left here. I can't. And I'm gonna be very cautious, and if it's looking like last week, Jesus Christ! Go! Go!